Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I will present my paper about upland rice growth on giving of biochar and organic fertilizer. My team Muji Rahayu, Aprilia Ika Nurmalasari, and Kartika Aprilia. For introduction, upland rice is an important food crop commodity in Indonesia, especially in dryland area. Upland rice is one of the food crops that can be cultivated on dry land. In general, dry land has low soil fertility. Soil condition with low nutrient and organic matter when used for agricultural activities will produce less than optimal yield. So it is necessary to add nutrient to the soil. The addition of biochar and organic fertilizer will have a positive effect. The application of biochar is one solution to improve the balance of nutrient in the soil by increasing soil fertility. The application of organic fertilizer can also have a direct effect on plant growth. Organic fertilizer that are widely used are fertilizer derived from animal manure that have been fermented and contain various nutrients. Manure contain macro and micro elements that are beneficial for plant growth. Some research results show varying results. Giving biochar to the soil is also able to increase growth and nutrient uptake in the plant. Goat manure has a higher nitrogen content where the N content can increase plant vegetative growth. The problem in the research, the nutritional content of type of biochar such as coconut shell, rice husk, and strobilanthes biochar, and organic fertilizer such as chicken manure, goat manure, and cow manure, and other organic fertilizer is very diverse, so that the response of upland rice to the application of various types of biochar and organic fertilizer is also different. Research objective to study the response of upland rice growth on giving of biochar and organic fertilizer type. Methodology, research design. The research used completely randomized block design, RCBD, consisting of two factors. First factor is type of biochar, consists of without biochar, coconut shell biochar, rice husk biochar, and strobilanthes biochar. The second factor is type of organic fertilizer, consists of without fertilizer, chicken manure, goat manure, and cow manure fertilizer. Its treatment combination repeat 3 replication. The observed variable were plant head, number of leaf, number of tiller, leaf area, fresh weight of biomass, and dry weight of biomass. Data were analyzed using analysis of variance and Duncan multiple rank test on 95% level. Result, first plant head based on analysis of variance so that the application of biochar and organic fertilizer type were not significant to height of upland rice. Figure 1 shows that the highest plant height up to 10 weeks after planting in the treatment of goat manure. Second, number of leaf and number of tiller. The analysis data show that the application of biochar gave a significant effect on the leaf number and tiller number of upland rice at the age of 4 to 6 weeks after planting. The best treatment with the highest number of leaf and number of tiller was found in the treatment on giving coconut shell biochar. A third, leaf area. The analysis data show that the application of biochar and organic fertilizer type were not significant on leaf area of upland rice at the age of 4 and 8 weeks after planting. The largest of leaf area on treatment was applied to goat manure with an area 28 cm square and 757.2 cm square. 4. Fresh weight and dry weight of biomass. The analysis of variance showed that the application of biochar and organic fertilizer were no significant on the fresh weight and dry weight of biomass of upland rice. Conclusion: application of biochar and organic fertilizer type was not able to increase plant height, fresh weight of biomass, dry weight of biomass, and leaf area of upland rice. Second, application of biochar was able to increase the number of leaf and the number of tiller of upland rice at 4 until 6 weeks after planting. And the third, coconut shell biochar gave the highest of the leaf number and tiller number than rice husk biochar and strobilanthes biochar. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.